In today's video, we're going to walk through how to install VirtualBox on a Windows 10 system, step by step. First of all, what is VirtualBox? It's a free and powerful virtualization tool by Oracle that allows you to run other operating systems, like Linux, Ubuntu, or even another copy of Windows, right inside your current system. Think of it as a computer inside your computer. Let's start by downloading VirtualBox. Open your browser and go to virtualbox.org. Click on the Download VirtualBox button and then choose the Windows Hosts option. Once the download is complete, open the installer file. You might get a user account control prompt. Just click Yes to continue. Click Next on the welcome screen. Choose your installation options or just go with the default settings, then click Next again. You'll see a warning about network interfaces. Don't worry, just click Yes. Now click Install to begin the installation. This will take a minute or two. Once it's done, make sure a Start VirtualBox is checked and click Finish. Congratulations! VirtualBox is now installed. You'll see the VirtualBox Manager where you can create and manage virtual machines.